Maya Angelou once said, "Do the best you can until you know better. Then when you know better, do better." This statement, while simple, holds profound wisdom, especially for those who bear the mantle of teaching. In the case of music educators, these words ring with a unique resonance. Music educators are the unsung heroes of the artistic world, shaping the minds and talents of future generations. They are the ones who introduce the language of music to eager and curious minds. Take, for example, the story of renowned cellist Yo-Yo Ma. His first music teacher, who happened to be his father, introduced him to Bach's suites when he was just 4 years old. This early exposure and guidance set the stage for a career that would dazzle the world. Music has a transformative power. It can turn a humdrum day into a moment of joy, a moment of sadness into one of profound reflection, a moment of chaos into one of peace. It is a universal language that transcends the barriers of language, culture, and time. And music educators are the ones who unlock this world for their students. However, just like any other field, music education also requires continuous learning and improvement. The world of music is ever evolving, and it is the responsibility of music educators to keep pace with this evolution. It is not enough to rest on laurels, to rely on past methods and techniques. As Maya Angelou suggested, when you know better, do better. Consider the story of Ludwig van Beethoven. Deafness could have ended his career, but it didn't. He adapted, he learned, he did better. He continued to compose, pushing the boundaries of music and creating some of his best works. His story serves as a reminder that there is always room for growth, for improvement, for doing better. So, how can music educators do better? It starts with a commitment to continuous learning. Attend workshops, seminars, and conferences. Engage with fellow educators. Learn from their experiences. Experiment with new teaching methods. Incorporate technology and adapt to the changing needs of your students. Moreover, maintain a strong connection with your students. Understand their aspirations, their fears, their strengths, and their weaknesses. Create an environment that encourages creativity, fosters confidence, and nurtures talent. Remember, it's not just about teaching notes and rhythms. It's about inspiring passion, instilling discipline, and igniting a lifelong love for music. It's about doing the best you can, and then, when you know better, doing better. Maya Angelou's words echo as a mantra for all music educators. Do the best you can until you know better. Then when you know better, do better. It is a call to action, a call to strive for excellence, a call to make a difference through the power of music. Indeed, the world of music education is a world where doing better is not just an aspiration, but a responsibility.